As we just mentioned, Russia is marking its 69th anniversary of Victory Day on Friday, which commemorates the victory over Nazi Germany in the Second World War. Since the end of the war, Russia has held a military parade at Moscow's Red Square nearly every May the 9th. At these parades, the country displays an array of advanced weaponry. This year's event will feature a total of 69 warplanes and helicopters, 149 military vehicles, and over 11,000 troops to showcase the country's military capabilities. The only time when no parade was held was from 1991 to 1994 due to collapse of the Soviet Union and economic recession which followed.